came back for you. Just need you to come.
Moving here, moving there, I'm just moving everywhere. Moving with the beat, I just feel so damn elite. I am creeping in your set, I will kill you in your bed. Blood up on my fucking head, I am counting up the lead. Who is next? Come and guess. It's the player after this. Hit the list, it's the kiss that the faggot mama miss. Bitch, place the barrel in your mouth, you taste the test, you'll find your breath out. Let me go and check the check. Now I ain't flying in the jet. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move. Place the barrel in your mouth, you taste the test, you'll find your breath out. Let me go and check the check. Now I ain't flying in the jet. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move. Bitch, you know I got to go, I got to run, I got to move.
Yo, watch, he's close, he's close. He's in like 25 feet. You good, you good. They're closing in though. They're closing in. They might be able to try to shoot over us. Yeah. Grenade! Grenade! You good? This guy's badass. It's closing in! Closing in!
Got him.
I'm hit! Hit! Hit!
I literally.
I'm out! 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 Out!
Shackled down, I will never pay for a pound. This hooker in the gown, I will beat her to the ground. Boop, boop, to the head, then I shoot. Now you're dead, sucker, don't want smoke. Hold on, let me take a toke. Why you boast? Now you looking like a damn ghost. Do the most. Welcome to the show and I'm the host. Use a foolie, I got the bang. Hit you with the toolie. Now
No, watch your left. You got a whole bunch on your left.
Bitches,
Touch your right. Look right.
Get it, two-step, I just want that boost back. Oh, you think you know Jack? Come on, run your knapsack. Blessing all these bitches, you think I am a fool. Freddie is a killer, now you don't know what to do. Freddie sitting there with the crown. He could be the king of all the Pt2 underground. Where you gonna be while I am counting all my rounds? All these little rappers trying to act up, you a clown.
Fuck.
Freddie sitting there with the crown. He could be the king of all the Pt2 underground. Where you gonna be while I am counting all my rounds? All these little rappers trying to act up, you a clown.
Right? I got one on the right. Just don't move. Don't move. Ready? I'm out. I gotta load. I'm up. Yeah. We're gonna take shots now. We gotta. Just don't move too much. Don't move too much. Is that that? I got one more. I'm loading again. Fuck, dude. I'm not up. You're taking shots. Yo, ready? I'm gonna shoot. You're gonna get out of here, okay?
Right.
Run back. Just run back straight. Go. All right, cover me. We gotta run back completely. Just run. Follow me. Come on, come on. Go, go, go. Yo, get right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Why, these are our objectives. Why are these here?
That was sick.
That was crazy.
Holy fuck, that was some good shit.
Shit, my bad, my bad. I'm not doing too good on ammo. What are you doing? Just want to go back.
Trying to get to that side.
I'm gonna check something really quick. Okay. I gotta tie my shoe.
Can you give me the ammo?
The sniper?
Yeah.
It doesn't work, no ammo.
Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot it. I just want to see it.
You wanna hold it? Oh yeah.
No, I just want to get
Yo! What are you doing? I can't believe you're alive. Get over here. Dude, I fucking, me and Ali. That was crazy. We got 6 of them out. They didn't even know we were fucking hiding in the bush.
I got a couple of them fucking sideways, but like, we just got kicked out of that spot, bro.
They kicked you out?
Yeah, they're like, there's like 3 guys, everyone's dead, except like me.
Okay. Alright, well, listen, I'm out on the sniper.
Do you need an ammo?
No, he has the ammo.
20 or?
No, 2.8, hold on.
Guys,
Yo, take that. Yo, Ali, yo, take that pallet, make a wall. The one right here. Just make a little wall. No, the other one. The one against that one, yeah. Push. Alright, ammo. Ammo. Yo, our objectives are right here. I don't know why they're here. Why are they all here? Yo, someone get command to some shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
I wish you were there. You saw what we did. I was close. I
You
was
were-
looking for you guys. I couldn't find you guys.
We were like, yo, there's a dip and there's like,
Did you see the 3 guy went in the middle of and died? Yep. We were behind them. We were behind the...
and we just ran for our lives. We got them all out. We just were like, yo, let's get the fuck out of here.
I saw
Dude,
you
he's
guys.
hiding behind a tree and the shit's hitting the
You
tree.
guys moved. And I was like, who the fuck is moving? Who is that? Who is that? And I like, saw it was like Trevor. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
I was gonna shoot you guys.
I don't know. We have to figure out what the fuck is going on with these. Yo, we gotta hit this pallet wall right here. I want to make a wall. You see? No, I'm saying this fence. This fence.
The behind the blue barrel.
Yo.
The little car.
Yo, we're about to build a wall.
Okay.
Steven. We're about to build a wall.
Alright.
Yeah, just come back to me. I'll be right there. go, go, go. Got one. He's out. He's out. He's out. Push up, push up, push up. Go, 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 go. I'll come with you. Hold on. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Move out. Right side, right side. He's like fucking at the pallet. Just get low, man.
His ass.
Just looked up. I see some left. Listen, if you want to move left, there's like 4 dudes pushing up right now. Look. Man, you know what's really crazy, man? Do you know they have a 10-minute respawn? I'm not joking, dude. That's why it's taking them so long to push back. Whoa, what the fuck? How are they not shooting me? There's too many. Hit! Yeah, maybe, yo, let's just go run across and see what's going on behind that shit again. Alright? Ready? Jesus Christ, what is this? Oh my so sorry, man. My bad. Fuck, man. Bumped into you. My bad. Dude. Yo, there's definitely up ahead.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna scope it out, okay? I see one at the log, and the log's up ahead. Fuck.
Yeah.
On the left side. Alright, listen. Just cover me from that. He's
That's alright.
at the log.
Big log cover.
Up far ahead.
Oh, come on.
I'm going for the defilade. I see one.
Dead.
Yeah, a little bit. I see them, they're like, fucking A, man. Oh, we're taking some heavy fire. Yeah. I'm loading. I'm up. You got him? I'm gonna stand and check this defilade. Yo, it's really low. Yo, what the fuck? There's a lot of trees, dude. Yo, can you cover me? I want to push up. What was that? Hey, you got me. I'm out.